If your shoulder is not really improving, but it is not clearly getting worse either, that middle ground can be one of the most frustrating places to be. A lot of people start wondering if the lack of change means something is quietly getting worse, even when nothing dramatic has happened. I'm Dr. Dan, a shoulder specialist who helps people understand shoulder pain and recovery. And one thing I want to clear up today is that a plateau does not automatically mean your shoulder is worsening. Sometimes shoulder recovery does not move in a steady upward line the way people expect. Sometimes people expect progress to feel obvious and steady. They expect each week to feel a little better than the one before. But shoulder pain often does not behave that way. It tends to create its own kind of stress. It can slow down, it can level off, it can become confusing because the pain is still there, but it is not clearly escalating. That uncertainty tends to create its own kind of stress. Pain lingers, but clear progress can be harder to notice. If you're early in shoulder surgery recovery and wondering what's actually normal, I put together a free guide called Is This Normal? You can download it below. When people do not know how to interpret a plateau, they often assume the worst. They think, if I were healing, I would feel more progress by now. But pain is not always that clean. A shoulder can stay irritated for a while without that meaning new damage is happening. It can stay sensitive, it can stay guarded, it can stay limited in ways that make you feel stuck. The uncertainty often feels worse than the pain itself. That stuck feeling can make you pay attention to every small sensation. You start checking it more, you start comparing today to last week. You start wondering whether the fact that it is still bothering you means you missed your window, made it worse, or should be alarmed. Usually what makes this harder is not just the pain itself, it is the uncertainty around what the pain means. That is why I want to separate two things that often get mixed together. Those are not always the same thing. If your shoulder has been lingering in a similar place, that can feel discouraging, but discouraging and dangerous are not the same word. Not every plateau is a warning sign. Sometimes it simply reflects how slow and uneven shoulder recovery can be. Progress can be happening quietly, even when it's hard to feel. For a lot of adults, especially after 55, the hardest part is not only the pain, it is the mental weight of not knowing whether the lack of change means they are stuck for good. And that is where people can start spiraling. They do not need more panic in that moment, they need better context. Slow progress can still be real progress. If this is the kind of situation you are in, I have a video called Why Recovery Feels So Slow After Rotator Cuff Repair linked below. Even though that video focuses on recovery, it explains why shoulder progress can feel much slower and less obvious than people expect. A plateau can feel unsettling without automatically meaning your shoulder is getting worse. The main point here is simple. When progress is unclear, people often assume the problem must be growing. But sometimes what they really need is a better understanding of how shoulder pain behaves when improvement is slower and harder to see in real time. If that is where you are right now, you are not strange for feeling unsettled by it, and you are not failing because the answer has not felt obvious yet. I hope this has helped you in your recovery. See you next week.